Hi guys, today we wanted to show how you can connect your Tribit StormBox Bluetooth speaker to your iPhone. So in order to start it off, go to the settings of your iPhone, look for Bluetooth. It is right here on the top. Turn the Bluetooth on. After that, find the power button on your Tribit StormBox speaker, turn it on. After it starts blinking, just press on this Bluetooth button. And as you could see, the iPhone started seeing the speaker. So now all that's left to do is to just tap on the speaker's name. And as you can see, it says that the speaker has been successfully connected. So that was it for this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.